Hi and hello there, Aries. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome everyone. At yun nga, no, ang ating concept for today is alamin natin ang inyong past life. Aries, we're gonna unlock no, kung sino kayo sa inyong past life. So, just take only what resonates. Maaaring may kinalaman din ito sa inyong life ngayon. Alright? And yes, wala tayong gender dito. So, by lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles. Dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit yarn kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will. Like if you want to claim the messages, gawing guidance or not. So here, Aries, we're gonna take a look at your past lives. By the way, kung hindi mo pa notice, meron pa tayong other channel, link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo there at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. Okay? So, Aries, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat, Angel Guides. Can we get messages about Aries' past lives? Cross-watchers ni Aries, welcome ka rin dito if you wanna watch, okay? Or kung merong Aries placement sa natal/birth chart. Aries' past life, please. Any informations related with their past lives, can you please show me? Messages, details, infos about Aries' past life. Okay, let's take a look at the energies. You have the Four of Cups, Justice. You also have here the Prince of Wands, Four of Coins, Temptation, the Sorceress. This is the Empress here, bottom of the deck, King of Wands, Eight of Swords, and the Three of Swords. Okay. Oh, just like Taurus, you could be connecting with Taurus, but doesn't have to be. You could be could be connecting with other zodiac sign, but just like Taurus, no, you are also someone here who is not born in human form in your past lives, no. Yeah, nakakita ko dito mga babes, no, ng isang malaking orasan. So yeah, it looks like kung sino man yung mga makaka-resonate dito, no, you are someone who holds as well a special mission sa'yo ritong past lives. I do see that with the Four of Cups energy, this is you, no? You are like a timekeeper, no? Timekeeper right in here, no? So it looks like, no, this is you. Okay, I do see that you are someone in here, no, making sure. So if you're right now, you feel like, no, na parang you value your time, naiinis ka, no, kapag ka nalilate ka, or naiinis ka 'no, kapag may nale-late sa paligid mo 'no, and this is you 'no. Nakikita natin dito 'no, na kapagka oras ng trabaho inilalaan mo 'to sa work mo. 'Pag oras mag-concentrate inilalaan mo ito doon 'no, at kung oras na to have fun, to relax 'no, you're making sure na inilalaan mo rin 'to dun 'no. So you value your time right in here and other people's time as well 'no. So parang 'pag meron ditong energy 'no na, "Ay nakalib ako nito be, sorry, pero kailangan ko talaga ng me time for myself." Tsaka nakaset na kasi yung lakad ko niyan, pasensya ka na. So kapagka meron ka ritong sinet talaga rito na time for yourself, you're making sure na mangyayari yun, matutupad mo yun or magagawa mo yun. Like let's say, if you schedule na, "Ito yung mga gagawin ko for today," you're making sure na lahat ng mga nakalista doon ay magagawa mo. So you value your time here and you are upset. You are someone here na parang naiinis rin sa self mo whenever hindi mo na gagawa 'no, yung dapat mong gawin 'no. And kapag nale ka for example, okay, because of traffic, because of something 'no, this is you na you're making sure na hindi na yun mangyayari especially if may importanteng kailangang gawin. So yeah, I do keep, seeing the orasan right in here. The orasan is so big 'no? So, nakikita ko 'yan sa aking vision right now. So, it looks like this orasan is the time of the people around you and you're making sure that they are spending their time really well. So, I do see that as a timekeeper, noong iyong past lives dito, you're making sure na yung mga tao is nagawa nila lahat ng kailangan nilang gawin, 'no, and you're helping them out, 'no, to fix, uh, their situations if possible, 'no, na yun ay iyong makikita, 'no, para lang ma-fulfill nila rito yung kanila ritong dapat gawin or isagawa, 'no, then that is your mission way back before, 'no? And meron ka pa kasi sa energy mo, 'no, na naglilinger, that's why you value your time, okay, and you're making sure that you're spending it really well, 'no? So, when it's time for family, okay, ngayon sa 3D world, 'no, kapag may outing kayo, you're making sure na talagang wala munang work, 'no? Talagang family time ito, 'no? So, nakita ko dito you're very giving, sometimes you're organizing, nakita ko rito na ikaw yung mga nag-iisip ng mga palaro, ikaw yung nag-iisip na ng mga foods 'no, na kakainin ninyo 'no or ihahanda or whatsoever, ano mga kailangang dalhin sa mga dapat mag-visit na mga places if it is sa tour or vacation. So, you're making sure din doon. And also, when it's time for love life 'no, gano'n din 'no. So, you're making sure na, yung person mo 'no is ibibigay mo lang yung time mo sa kanya 'no kapag meron kayong lakad 'no, like wala muna ritong answering the mails, tsaka na yun, mamaya na yun 'no, 'pag nakauwi na 'no. So, you're making sure 'no that you're also sharing here your time with other people, especially when your loved ones and close people in your lives 'no ay nandito rin. A Prince of Wands energy, I do see that you're excited here 'no, way back before 'no, to be involved, in other people's lives, not because you want to be nosy or not because gusto mo lang talagang makialam 'no, or gusto mo lang talaga makisawsaw sa life nila, but because it is your mission 'no, to help them out. So, parang every time na natutulungan mo sila na magawa nila lahat ng dapat nilang gawin before the time is up or before their time is up, I do see that this is you 'no, parang nagkakaroon ka rito 'no, ng isang wish, okay, every parang there's this bilang ng mga natutulungan mo. So, parang 'pag umabot ka dun sa limit, there's this one wish that you can, receive 'no, na iga-grant rito 'no, ng inyo ritong God 'no, way back before. So, I do see that this is you, okay? You are someone here na talagang ginagawa mo yung iyo ritong mission. Yeah, you could be someone here 'no, you're not really into prints. I do see someone here 'no, wearing, mga clothes na wala masyadong prints. Maybe kung magkasuot ka man niyan, puwedeng dahil kasi required or parang madalang mo lang talagang suotin 'yan, okay. So, maybe you're into plain shirts or isang tone lang na color ng damit or clothes. That's what I'm picking up 'no. And yeah, pinapakita rin sa'kin mindset ngayon mga babes 'no, na ang iyo rito nakasuotan way back before 'no, is somewhat parang it's a pants 'no, but you are also having a, top 'no na hanggang paa, hanggang floor 'no. So, it looks like 'no, yun yung uniform mo or yun yung parang costume mo 'no, as a timekeeper 'no, way back before. So, I do see that this is you, you are someone right in here 'no, na nagbibigay ng aid sa mga tao, Four of Coins energy. Ang dami mong natulungan. Ang dami mong natulungan dito, pinapakita sa akin dito mga babes 'no, na meron ka ritong natulungan 'no, ng mga tao na before sila rito 'no, na magpaalam sa earth 'no, you help them na makapag-ipon for their loved ones na maiiwan nila. So, it looks like 'no, yung time rito 'no, it looks like you help them sa remaining time nila 'no, na makapag-ipon for their loved ones na maiiwanan nila. So, I do see that because of that, you are also receiving that wish, okay, in this 3D world right now. So, it looks like meron kayo ditong two to three wishes na matutupad. No, one is bago mag-end itong 2025 and the other two might be ma-receive mo yan 2026, no? Or yung isa, no, doon sa dalawa ay before 2027. Like let's say, I'm picking up, no, yung isa pwedeng magsimula agad sa 2026 na matupad, no? While the other one could be um, the fourth week of November or December na, no, ng 2026, no, going to the pagpapalit ng taon 2027. Wow, Aries, I don't know who I'm talking right now, but wow, the sorceress is right here. So definitely, no, I do see that this is you, kinaiinggitan kayo ng lahat way back then because they think, no, na, oh, ang swerte naman ng bilang isang timekeeper kasi pwede mong i-extend yung time mo, no. So that's what they think, no. But I do see that this is you, no. Okay? Meron kang work, no, and it is 24/7, no? So nagkaroon ka rin dito ng parang temptation, no, na umalis mo na yun doon sa yung pole, no, and to do here something that you wanna do, no. And nakita ko rito, no, na posibleng because of that, okay, nakita natin dito na nag-evolve yung gusto mo na ritong sumunod sa mga policies and guidelines, no. Kasi dito, meron dito 'no, na nabawasan yung time just because you left your pole and because you did something here for yourself way back before. And sobrang talagang ikinalungkot mo yon with that desire 'no, dito sa temptation na lumabas dito kasi nagkaroon ng pagbabago rito doon sa time ng isang individual 'no, way back before na posibleng nabawasan 'no, yung time niya here 'no. So I do not really know, but this is really what I'm getting right in here. This is so magical. This feels so awesome. This is so something na very unique and yeah, I do see that this is you 'no. You value your time talaga and everybody's time 'no, from then on 'no. Nakita natin dito na natuto ka talaga from there and I do see na may mga tao dito nagpapasalamat and yeah, look at that, eh, meron ka talaga ditong wishes na matutupad 'no. Two to three wishes, okay, with the King of Wands. I do see right in here, no, that being a timekeeper, no, is dala-dala mo pa rin up until now. Yeah. And also, nakikita natin dito, no, na as a timekeeper, marami ka ring nakaaway dati. Kasi ikaw yung sinisisi nila, bakit hindi mo ba kailangan pahabain yung time namin dito or ba't hindi mo ba kailangan na parang ano na lang, i-magic-magic mo na lang 'to, isang snap na lang ng finger 'no. So they thought ganun lang yun. They thought that this is a genie right in here 'no, na ikaw ay isang genie na magga-grant rito na pahabain yung time 'no, ng buhay ng isang tao or pahabain yung oras, pahintuin yung oras para matapos nila lahat ng mga trabaho nila 'no, para hindi sila mapagalitan rito 'no or whatsoever. No, no, you're not like that. You are just a timekeeper, no? Holding this very delicate, no? Na mission, no? So, I do see marami kang natulungan. Marami rin dito yung ikaw yung tinuturo rito, no? But they really do not know that you are not God. 'Di ba? God is the only one no, na magsasabi na, oh, time is up, 'di ba? Or whatsoever, no? You are not someone here, no, na pinapahaba yung time, but you're there to make sure na magawa nila lahat rito, no? So, lahat rito na nagpapasalamat sa'yo, sila yung magiging dahilan at naging dahilan kung bakit meron kang two to three wishes na matutupad, no? So, kung you value your time now and you feel guilty about something no, regarding time now, then definitely this is you. You are really the timekeeper in your past life. So yeah, beautiful, awesome, no? And pwedeng related ka kay Taurus, no? Because Taurus right here, you may want to watch Taurus, no? Taurus is also not a human being, no? Sa kanyang past life. So yeah, there you go. These are all your messages, Aries. Again, I'm Yuriana Ani. Sarang hey, love and light, sweethearts. Annyeong!